SPRAT's Rope Access Evaluation Performance Principles, found in Section 4 of Rope Access Certification Requirements, provide a foundation for compliance with safe practices for rope access work and establish expectations for candidates throughout the rope access evaluation. Performance principles apply during completion of all requirements and serve as the basis for grading candidate performance. Requirements are expected to be completed in a safe and efficient manner. Though time limits are not enforced when a candidate starts a requirement, lack of forward progress or inefficient technique may affect candidate grading. SPRAT's rope access certification requirements are a performance-based standard. Specific equipment and techniques are not specified. A candidate may use any technique or equipment, provided they satisfy requirement criteria and performance principles. Candidates and loads are considered to be in a fall zone when located at any height above the next lower level or within 2 meters, or 6.6 feet, of an unprotected edge. Provided all other performance principles are satisfied, the use of a fall arrest system, including a backup system, when available clearance is less than required clearance, shall not affect grading. All rope access systems are expected to be constructed and used in accordance with Section 12 of SPRAT's Safe Practices for Rope Access Work, including incorporation of appropriate anchorage systems. A backup system or other appropriate fall protection is expected for a candidate or load in a fall zone. A backup system or other appropriate fall protection is also expected to be used with any main system. Free fall potential is expected to be minimized throughout the evaluation. For backup systems, free fall potential should not exceed 0.6 meters, or 2 feet, and at no time shall free fall potential exceed 1.2 meters, or 4 feet. For main systems, free fall potential should not exceed 0.3 meters, or 1 foot, and at no time shall free fall potential exceed 0.6 meters, or 2 feet. Potential swing fall is also expected to be minimized throughout the evaluation. Potential swing fall distance should not exceed 0.3 meters, or 1 foot, and at no time shall potential swing fall distance exceed 0.6 meters, or 2 feet. In addition, if a main system or directional anchorage system adjusts the fall line by greater than 0.6 meters, or 2 feet horizontally, and creates a potential swing fall with a pendulum angle in excess of 20 degrees, a second system shall be used to protect against failure of the first system. To minimize both free fall potential and potential swing fall, multiple main and backup systems may be required to successfully complete requirements. Rope access equipment is expected to be used in accordance with SPRAT's safe practices for rope access work, including compatibility with other components in rope access systems, use in accordance with manufacturer's instructions, and satisfying requirements of the presiding regulatory authority. Candidates are expected to perform an inspection of equipment for damage and function prior to use. Helmets are required to be worn in a hazard zone, with chin straps fastened when in a fall zone. Rope and other components are expected to be protected from damage at the evaluation site. Harness connections are expected to be used in accordance with the manufacturer and should be used in accordance with the presiding regulatory authority where the rope access evaluation is conducted. Unless certain criteria are met, failure of a single component shall not result in excessive free fall or swing fall. Rescue requirements are expected to be completed with an appropriate backup system or other fall protection system. Candidates are expected to maintain an appropriate backup system or other secondary system for rescue subjects during the completion of rescue requirements. SPRAT documentation is publicly available and free of charge on sprat.org. If you have any further questions, please contact SPRAT at info@sprat.org.